Jack McCaig here, and we got a question. I love this question, one of my favorites. Can I get credit cards with the trust? Oh, yes, you can. You can get credit cards with the trust. Isn't this fantastic? Um, you have to be able to register it at your state's Secretary of State, but if you could do that, yes, you could get credit for the trust. And we have a workaround if you can't, that you love too. Uh, yeah, you need the trust, but yes, you can get credit with the trust. Oh, you can get credit? Yeah, let me show you. This is Christian Ministries Trust. This is the first trust like this I created. Uh, Fantastic. It has a massive credit profile out there, really good credit profile. Uh, you know, 10 credit cards like Chase Inc. Uh, the Chase Inc. cards, the city business cards. You can get business credit cards. That's what you can get. So yeah, absolutely. And you can get a lot of credit because with your personas, there's just one individual tied to it. So this kind of like, oh, you can only make so much money or whatever, and they ask you for proof. But a trust, that's obviously, a multi-individual organization. So you can get much higher credit limits. You see? Yes, you could get all kinds of credit for the trust. Any kind of credit you could get. Can you get credit cards? Sure, you could get auto loans. You name it. So yes, you can.